Why do I think your president is a sociopath? Because I don't believe he's stupid. You would have to be incredibly stupid to believe the things he claims to believe. Let me show you an example. Barack Obama and his friends, such as Al Gore, the backers of catastrophic man made climate change, believe, they say, that a 1 degree rise in temperature per century is unprecedented, extreme, and demands immediate action, regardless of the expense. They're not just going to take your money away. Barack Obama is poised to sign a treaty with a bunch of other communist countries to do away with the Constitution, to surrender your sovereignty as a nation to the United Nations. Communist controlled, third world controlled United Nations. All of these people would have to be incredibly stupid or psychopathic, sociopathic, and haters of the United States. They are sociopathic haters of the United States. Nobody could be this stupid. I can illustrate it. I can back this up. A 1 degree rise in temperature in a century. These are the people that brought you the hockey stick, because they couldn't dare show you the data that was in their possession from the beginning. They had to hide the data. They had to hide data point 74. You may have noticed that I called this video data point 74. What's the big deal? Data point 74. This is a point, not only is it the point at which the CO2 record gets obliterated, but it's also a spike in temperature. If you notice data point 74, the temperature that corresponds to that data point is 1.16. That means it's 1.16 degree hotter than today. This temperature spike arose from a cold period, data point 76. The difference between data point 76 and data point 74 is 2.6 degrees. This happened in the short span of 80 years, 83 years. The difference between data point 76 and data point 74 is 2.6 degrees. This happened in the short span of 80 years, 83 years. 2.6 degree change in the span of 83 years equals a yearly change of 0.0313. Multiply that times 100 to see what the rate of change per century is, and you get 3.13 degrees change per century. Nobody but a sociopath would cover up facts like this. The Hadley Center, the Met Office that puts out the Had-Crut temperature chart, claiming that the Earth is getting hotter and hotter when in fact it's not. These people, see, the guy that heads the Hadley Center is not a climatologist, not a meteorologist. He came from the Wildlife Fund. He loves wildlife. I'll have you know that the Greens, the environmentalist extremists, are not interested in the environment at all. They are communists trying to subvert the American people to economically sabotage the United States. This is not the act of somebody that's stupid. This is the act of a sociopath.